Ayan guys, Honda Odyssey 2008-2016 is the same engine. So the firing order. This is the firing order guys. There's 1, 4, 2, 5, 3, and 6. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. This is the firing order for the oh, mayroon pa yung plastic. Ay hindi, siguro bakit kulay blue? Hindi ko na alam kung nasaan nilagay ni Jomar yung ano na yun. Nabasura na yata. Ayan. Ayan guys, tinitira siya ni Foreman. Foreman, ano bang problema dyan, Foreman? Kumusta yung mga tao natin, Foreman? Okay guys, okay. Yan na yun siya guys. Maraming salamat guys, bye bye.